Hey there friends! Today we're going to learn how to make an origami dog. You will need a pair of scissors, a black marker and a brown colored pencil, and a piece of paper. To make your paper into a square, bring this edge up to this edge and crease your paper. Then grab your scissors and cut off this rectangle at the end of the paper. Now you should have a folded triangle in front of you. Then flip your triangle upside down and bring the left corner over to the right corner, but don't fold it, just crease this top point right here. So you should now have a crease mark at the top center of your paper. This should help serve as a guide as we now fold down the corners for the ears. As you fold the ears, try and make sure that they're evenly spaced from the center and that they're about the same size. And do your best to get these two angles to match, but of course it doesn't have to be perfect. And then fold the bottom corner up to create a triangle, which will be the dog's snout. And then fold the tip down to create a small triangle for the dog's nose. Now you can take your black marker or a colored pencil or crayon and color in the nose. Then we'll draw the mouth, and two big eyes. You can color in your dog however you'd like. I'm going to draw a brown spot around its eye. I'm also going to color both ears brown. As you're finishing up your dog, be thinking about what you might name it. I think I'll call my dog Rufus. What will you name your dog? Thanks for making the origami dog with me today. I hope yours turned out great. Comment below with what you would name your dog. Also, if you liked the video, click like. We'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.